Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we want to work on side colgadas. Very beautiful move.
A lot of technique, so if you are ready, let's start working. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like if you like it, and share with your friends.
Okay,
Perfecto.
here we are. Let's show you the move. Side step. We're going to do a voleo just to go to the position, parada, and we're going to the colgada, hanging position, side colgada. When we finish the colgada, we'll step in front of the leader, waiting for the moment of re-embracing, and we can go to resolution and finish or go to a different figure.
Exactly.
So what are we doing inside colgada? How we create the effect?
Followers first, go ahead.
Followers first. This is a move for followers or leaders, both. So after this, I go to the feet together because I don't know if he's going to do colgada. It could be another step. But he's lifting and sending me off axis. So I will feel this only on my hips. So I will not go from upper body, from center. I keep center in axis and displace only the hips to the side. So once in the colgada, I keep lifting my position, and when he lowers the position, this is the moment to send the leg front. He's lowering and pulling. So don't rush, followers. Stay in hanging position until this. If you notice, I still on my right leg, not moving forward until he really changed body weight. Lead, we exchange places, and from here we go to a different figure.
Nice. So something very important for the leader is that we have to know that we are not using the arms to lead her. So let me show you something important. Side step. And voleo to parada. So let's take parada. You can come from any position, but any other figure, but this is a parada. Now, I'm lifting her, correct? A little bit. Did you notice that my body weight is mainly on my back foot? In order to send her front, I will lift and move front towards that leg. But my torso is always back. So if you have to think about it, it's your right knee moving front, but the rest is pulling back. Look. Boom, tac, tac. Zoom. That sends her off axis. The most common mistake that happened is that we are doing this. This is not proper. Sending her with the arms, with the top part, and telling, trust me, I got you.
I don't trust you.
So we need to pull back. I will exaggerate pulling back like this. And my knee is sending her front. That way, look, I can be totally in balance. This is the main goal. So from here, once we are here, we're going to start bringing her back to axis and at the same time rotating. For that, I will step back again. So this is free of weight. Yep. Once we have her in axis, then I will keep pulling on that direction for her to really transfer body weight. But before her transferring body weight, we need to create a little stop. Off axis, rotating, sending the leg, but staying there, and then transferring body weight.
Electric for followers that you will like a lot. I'm displacing the hips. I would like to show them without the leader help so you can feel
Visualize.
this. Yeah, I'm displacing the hips to my right and sending my ribs to my left. See, so we create the illusion of colgada. Let me do it this way. Without really going off axis, I'm stepping on the right, sending the hips to the right, and the ribs are not centered. I send my ribs level to my left. So displace this way, that way, keeping the legs straight in this case for the exercise, and back to axis. Do this exercise many times, couple of times, because this is a training you need for the colgada. Create like a C letter with your body. Create a C letter. At the same time, it's lifting, going up. So we go up, lift to this place, and go to the side with the hips, but the torso is to the leader, getting closer to the leader. Let me show you this position that you visualize now by myself, how it looks
Yes.
with the leader. So after the parada.
I'm not leading, I'm not supporting her. I'm not doing a colgada. Just for you
Okay.
to see the point, yeah.
Okay, now from here, this is my axis. So without really having help, I can create a little bit of colgada doing this. Ribs to him, closer to him, hips very much to the right side. And also this is axis. See, adding this to the lead, which
Yeah.
is he's moving a little bit to the other side, we can create a beautiful sensation, a beautiful axis colgada. Like when we are in colgada and he's off axis, a little bit moving there, we are sharing a center axis. We create center axis. And then we go back to that position, to the center. So this is very important to feel on your own body because the colgada is not only a leader's responsibility, it's both. You need to work on your own body to create effect, to make it lighter for him, so it's not pulling him, dragging him, and holding on him. It's all on your own legs, on your own body, and we are sharing the axis.
Let us show you one more time, two more times.
Stop! We have something very important to tell you, and this is about our online tango training.
This is our online tango school and our website, miriamleonardotango.com, where you are going to find over 250 classes about tango, milonga, vals, technique for followers, technique for leaders, all the styles, also with exercises, with music, follow along steps, so you cannot miss that.
You can also get it individually. Please remember to go to the website miriamleonardotango.com.
Now let's get back to the second part of the video.
And side step, low voleo, lifting, sending her off axis, lower, bringing her back to axis, lifting, and we can do it all over again. 1 and 2. I will do it here. 1 and parada, lifting, adjusting around. You can bring her all the way around if you want, and resolution.
Okay, I hope your body is still in one piece and you won't have pains tomorrow, okay? Do it warming up before the colgadas, warming up before the boleos because the muscles are working really much.
Thank you very much for your support. Like the video if you enjoy this content, and we promise that we are going to keep posting more and more videos. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.